Hey there, it's Prahlad from Web Unraveled. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a table in Canva super fast and super easy. Whether you are working on a presentation, a report, or just organizing info in your design, Canva makes it possible with just a few clicks. Let's jump right into it. So as you can see right now, I am in the Canva project. So to create a Canva table, just go to the elements and then here, fast for shape, and then I'm going to choose this one and then just resize it. Now you can change this color, so I'm going to choose this one. If you are using Windows, then click on Ctrl C, and if you are using Mac, then click on Command C and just click on Command V or Ctrl V, and then it will paste and then just align it on the right side. And same way, do this again. Now just select all the element and then click on Command C or Ctrl C, just Command V or Ctrl V, and then align it on the bottom. Same way. So now you can choose all of the elements and you can change the color of the elements. And that's how you add a table in Canva. Simple, right? If you found this helpful, make sure to give it thumbs. Subscribe for more Canva tips and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Got question or ideas for future tutorial? Drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.